Right, what's this say? Our mountain home. Okay.
Look at those trees.
I think it was on a corner. Here you go, Crabtree Falls right here. 1/4 mile ahead. Did you get that?
Yeah. Well, as well as I could. Okay.
So we can do a separate, make this one Crabtree Falls. I don't think that was a 1/4 mile, but okay. How was that a 1/4 mile? Do they just not know how to measure miles, or? Fee area. I ain't paying shit. You can suck my penis. Oh. Is there any way you can cut that out? Ooh. The lower parking lot. There's a phone. There's a few people here. Like 2 cars. 3 envelopes. I'm not paying. You can't make me. Oh, we gotta walk in. Alright, we'll do some walking. Gotta go pee-pee?
Yeah, but I'm not quite sure how that'll turn out if it's out-houtish.
Out-houtish?
If I can deal with that. Yeah, I'm like that.
Really? 500 feet. Copper Falls 1 3/4. Is that really that far? Let's find out. Slick rocks. Danger.
Don't flush your life away.
Look at this guy. Come along. Pitter patter. I don't know if we're going to walk 1 3/4 miles.
Just in case there's little droplets.
Yeah, look at this.
Where are you going off to?
He was actually buried here.
Whoa. Oh my. I thought this was a falls, not,
Mary Elizabeth Fitzgerald. When did she pass on to the other world? Can you see that?
Yeah. A little creepy, huh?
Yeah. And their gravestone sunk in. They're probably going to reach their hand up here and say hi to us. Is that a footstone? You think that's what that is?
Don't know.
I don't know. Okay, I see dead people. Why does that make it so you can drive all the way up? Who the hell wants to be ambitious and walk 1.25 miles?
For adventure.
Yeah.
Yes. What is this?
Oh, wow. We're right by the Appalachian Trail. Please don't cut. What are you going to cut? Is somebody going to cut down a tree?
You want to do this some?
Huh?
My arm's been sticking up for her.
Hey, look, we're walking. Danger! Uh-oh. What do you think the danger means? The rocks are covered with a plant growth that makes them extremely slippery. 23 people have died while climbing on these rocks.
Wow.
Okay. We will not do that. Okay, we will pause till we get there. I've been instructed that I should get video of this while we walk up to it. I was told.
Hi.
I hear voices. I think it's baby Bigfoots. Wearing green slickas. Oh, that's purty. Oh, wow. Crabtree Falls Trail. We gotta go up that? That's kind of not much of a trail. Where's my sense of adventure? I don't know. Here we go, guys. Oh, wow. It goes way, way up. Do you think we could water slide down this? I might hurt your buttocks. These are going to be wicked slippery, babe. Okay, go hold that. I need a picture. Sucks. You gonna make fun of that now?
Yes. Just saying.
Okay. I only thought about it for 30 times.
Uh-huh. I know that feeling.
What?
I know the feeling.
You have too? Signs like this, please heed it. There's a reason that's in there like that. They don't want you going off trail and trampling. There could be vegetation in there that's, you know, not endangered, but that's the word I'm looking for. Critical. So if you see that kind of stuff, respect it. That was my preach. I'm on my pulpit preaching.
Yeah. Don't you think it's very sexy?
Is it recording?
Yeah.
I'm special, people. So a little bit more, looks like we got a little bit of Ian damage. I'm gonna say that was from it because that brake is pretty dang fresh. Wow. Holy moly. Where did this come from? Is it a tree or a branch?
There's a tree right here. Be careful.
Can you get your little stumpy legs across that?
Stumpy. You're funny.
So you give me dirty looks. Well, we're about to go into Narnia. Oh my god, it busted the fence and everything. Look at that, guys.
Several trees. Can you crawl that low? Can you?
No.
How low can you go?
Try not to step on this. This is going to be very slippery. I'm trying to see if it's a tree or if it's a limb off of it.
Trees.
No, I think it's one.
No, I've seen several bases of trees.
Oh, look up there, look.
What?
See where the root ball came out? I don't know if y'all can see that. You see the dirt, see this rock. And let's, I don't know if I'm really filming it or not.
Yeah.
Huh. The power of the nature. So you can see why though, this is more exposed. Whereas in some of those valleys, there's some big acorns. Here's more of the waterfall, guys. My knees are gonna love coming down this. Glad you can't hear far away what she just said. It was pretty mean. Hang on to the railing, babe. Yes, we are old, so we talk about holding on to things so we don't fall down.
If you don't, you'll be disabled and get older real fast.
It's pretty.
That looks like the overlook up there.
I think so, yeah. Doesn't seem like it was 1.25 miles though. Does it?
Might go further, but
When I was a young man, I would have climbed this stuff.
oh, would you now there, bub?
I sure would have, bub. There's pictures of me somewhere doing it. Whoa, that board's loose.
Yeah, really.
There's pictures of me
Oh, careful.
somewhere doing that with Outward Bound. I did some 5s even. 5s are tougher climbs. But I was 16 and healthy. Did somebody overweight sit here? Oh wow. See, so I guess what they're talking about is people going out on there to try to get better pictures. Okay, let me get some stills, babe. Let me get some stills. Which one do you think? You want to bet?
I don't know.
I'm gonna guess, well, how deep it goes in there. I mean,
No, I don't want to like really find out.
no, they're not hibernating yet, babe. Oh wow, look where we're going. Film that up there, babe.
I know. I was starting to, and then I ran into that hole.
Look up where we're going.
Wow.
No wonder this is so popular in the summertime. Fuck.
Hey.
I'm taking stills. Put it down for me. Put it down.
Put it.
It is.
Hey.
Ooh, yes. Try to see if I can get that.
Well.
Are we going over there too? You're taking. The lake right? There we go. So we made it up to the top, we think. There may be more, but we're not sure. Pretty slick, and I have really, really bad knees. Yeah, it's really pretty up here. What do you think?
Beautiful.
That's it? It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
I don't know if you can hear us. Maybe we should talk louder.
It's fantastic.
Okay. So that was that. Now we're going to go back down. Sounds like a fool. Yeah, so you can kind of... I'll record. Oh, there it is. Right there you go. I took some pretty, some really nice still shots. So when Miss Tara Arc, when she does it, she'll put my still shots in too. Okay.
Bye.